All right, well, let's go to one stock that actually might have some mojo today, and that's going to be Apple unveiling its iPhone 5 at its conference later today. That's 1 p.m. Eastern. Okay, so typically buy the rumor, sell the news. We're not seeing that. We're seeing sell the rumor. So you want to buy the news is my question.
It could be that because we're very oversold. Recently, Apple has not acted well. We've been, ever since that JPM note about the iPad with 25% less in orders, blah, 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 it's been acting weak. So it's been more of a sell than a buy. And if you look at the chart here, you will see that a lot of the technical damage has been adding up. First, it couldn't hold this 400. Then this was your stop. We talked about it many times, 395. This was get out of your momentum shares, get back to tier 1 if you have to hold it. And now we're coming down to this, what was yesterday's low, I believe, was around 373. So today, short term, I'm going to look if I could buy it long versus 373. If 373 breaks before the 1 o'clock announcement, I think the 100-day holds around 364.
So would you short down to 364 maybe?
No. Okay, I think the juice is out on the short side. You've already made your money. A lot of guys have been shorting in my office. I've tried it a few times myself. Now's the time to look for a long, but you have to do it still with a plan. You can't just buy Apple because it's Apple and they have a product announcement. So at this point, it's more strategic to try and buy into this area versus sell, but technically, it's a lot weaker than it was a few weeks back.
And also, there are worries, of course, the iPhone won't really wow investors. Tim Cook is up to the bat, his first time since Steve Jobs resigned. We also have perhaps voice recognition, but big whoop, Google has it. So those are things to factor in that maybe we won't get that kind of bounce that we're expecting. So let's go to Google, actually, in terms of a competitor, because you might see some good derivative plays right now. Google has been broken down, but it does have one of the main competitors, the Android OS, to Apple.
Well, for cash flow traders, my price point sheet 514 was you're short or get out of the way of Google or get out of the way of Google or get out of the way of the way or get out or get out of the way of Google or get out of the way of Google or get out of the way of the way or get out or get out of the way of Google or get out of the way of Google or get out of the way of the way or get out or get out of the way of Google or get out of the way of Google or get out of the way of the way or get out or get out of the way of Google or get out of the way of Google or get out of the way of the way or get out or get out of the way of Google or get out of the way of Google or get out of the way of the way or get out or get out of the way of Google or get out of the way of Google or get out of the way of the way or get out or get out of the way of Google or get out of the way of Google or get out of the way of the way or get out or get out of the way of Google or get out of the way of Google or get out of the way of the way or get out of the way of Google or 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 the way of Google board, the web 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 Google board.